Okay, for next question, we have to check the differentiability of the function at x is equal to 1. And this function is defined at x is equal to 1 as for the left hand limit, the value is for the value between 0 and 1. Value between 0 and 1, the function is defined as x squared plus 1, and between 1 and 2, function is 3 minus x. Now let's check the differentiability of the function. So for that, let's find out the left hand derivative, which is equal to limit, because we are checking this function at x is equal to 1. So limit x tends to 1 negative f of x minus f of a upon x minus a. And a here is 1, so this function becomes limit x tends to 1 negative, this is f of x minus f of 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, for अभी छुट्टी करो no शाम को आ जाएगा. Right. Okay, now value of the function when it's less than 1 is x squared plus 1. So f of x is x squared plus 1. So this is limit x tends to 1 negative. This is x squared plus 1. And value of the function at 1. The value of the function at 1 is equal to, at 1 is equal to, value of the function is 3 minus x, and x is 1, so this is equal to 2, so this is 2 upon x minus 1, which becomes limit x tends to 1 negative. This is x squared minus 1 upon x minus 1, and this is limit x tends to 1 negative. This is a squared minus b squared, so a minus b into a plus b upon x minus 1, which gives me x plus 1. So this is limit x tends to 1 negative x plus 1. And let's assume that x is equal to small value h less than 1. And as x tends to 1, h tends to 0. So this is now limit h tends to 0. This becomes x is now 1 minus h plus h, which is equal to, if we take the limit for h is equal to 0 here, it gives you the value. Now let's find out the right hand derivative, which is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, and it's f of x minus f of a, which is 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, so this is limit x tends to 1 plus. Now f of x for value greater than 1, f of x is 3 minus x. So this is 3 minus x, and the value of the function at x is equal to 1. The value of function is 2. So this is 2 upon x minus 1. So this becomes limit x tends to 1 plus upon 3 minus, and this is uh, for x greater than 1, the value of the function is 3 minus x, and f of 1 is 2 upon x minus 1. So this is now, this is actually minus 1. So this is minus 2. This is minus, so minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 minus x upon x minus 1. And I can write it as limit x tends to 1 plus, this is negative x minus 1 upon x minus 1. And x tends to 1 plus, this is negative 1, so this is 1. Now left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, because at this the value of the function is 2, and at right hand limit the value of the function is 1. So the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. So this function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1.